Hey guys, in this video I'm showing how to convert Solana to USDT or how to swap and convert Solana to USDT in Phantom Wallet in this video. So if this video helps you, like and subscribe, and if you want more videos or have any other tips or need help with something, just comment and I'll make a video about it or reply. So enough talking, let's get started. So open up the Phantom Wallet app. It's also in your computer. It should take a bit for it to load, it's always like this. And then what you do is sign up and stuff. Let's wait a bit. Yeah, it's still loading. I'll get back to you once I sign up here. It needs to load a bit. It's like this for everyone. And yeah, it's going to show me my wallet. So I have Solana, 60 cents in Solana. So if I want to swap it to USDT, what you need to do is in the middle click on swap. Like this thingy. Then you pay, click on Solana. And then you receive. Click on it and click on search and type in USDT, but go to the Ethereum here, and now you can click on here and type in the amount you want to convert to USDT. So I can click on 50%, and yeah, and that's it. Then click on transfer, accept, and yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you. Have a great day.